Hey there, everyone. I've just learned something new today. Let's check this out. You know when you approaching the petrol station and you just realize that you don't know which side of your vehicle the petrol tank is. On the dashboard, do you see the pump sign? Not just a pump sign, there is an arrow next to it. The arrow indicates which side of your vehicle that the petrol tank is located. So if the arrow is pointing to the left, that means the petrol tank is on the left side of your vehicle. If the arrow is pointing to the right, that means the petrol tank is on the right side of your vehicle. It's simple, So don't panic or trying to ask someone sitting next to you saying, "Hey, do you know which side the petrol tank is?" Now you know, just look on the dashboard. Check the arrow, then you know exactly which side of your vehicle the petrol tank is located. If you think you learned something new today, please share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.